So guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be open as possible to help you out in this trading business so that you can be able to understand what you can do to improve on your monthly income. Because you see, most of the traders who come into the trading space think that trading is the only way that you can actually make money, like placing trades, buy and sell, and then you hit TP and then you can make money monthly. That is partly true, but there are so many other diverse ways that you can implement within your trading business for you to be able to make some sustainable amount of money every single month. Now, I am not going to guarantee that you're going to make thousands upon thousands, but if you dedicate your time and dedicate some effort into learning how to do this, you will be able to make some income on the side as you're actually trading. So some of the ways that most people that you see online, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok and all that, most of the traders that you see, some of the ways that they use to make money online is not just trading. Most of these people are actually just influencers alone. Like they come into trading just to be influencers. What do I mean by influencers? Influencers are these people who come with the aim of just promoting affiliate programs and then they make money off of that without actually trading. So that is not a bad thing. If that is the route you want to take as a career, that is not bad, because when you come into trading and you only concentrated on trading, you really have to be good at what you're doing and you have to have like a very large account size. For example, maybe like if you're staying in Africa, you need at least like $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 or more US dollars to be able to make like a sustainable income every single month. That is if you're a very good trader and you are profitable. But if you are not profitable and you're still struggling, for example, to make continuous profit or consistent profit, then you need to venture into other income streams for you to be able to sustain yourself monthly. Now, some people don't want to talk about this, but I'm here to help you because some of you have been asking me how to be able to make extra income on the side as you're actually trading. So if you like this video is going to be able to help you out, to give you a roadmap that you can follow and some of the things that you can do to be able to make that income, right? So the first thing that you're going to be looking at is being on social media. Have a social media presence. Most of the people nowadays have at least a social media presence. Most people have a TikTok account, they have Instagram, they have Facebook, they have YouTube, Telegram. So you can also get involved with that as a trader. You can open up a Telegram channel where you'll ask members to join. Okay, once they join, you can be able to share with them some affiliate links. Now, the most common way you can make money as an affiliate or by marketing is through affiliate links. That is if you have a social media presence. In your videos, for example, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram posts, anywhere, maybe even Facebook, whenever you create a post, in the description of your post or in the title of your post, you can add an affiliate link to maybe a Forex broker. Like for me, I am using HFM at the moment, but it's not only HFM that I am using. I'm using also XNES and FX Pro. But the main broker I'm using right now is HFM. You can find the link in the description. If you want to sign up with HFM, if you sign up with HFM, I will also consider you when I start the copy trading service. So you can find the link in the description. This is one of the ways you guys can be able to make some commission on the side as you're trading. Use affiliate programs. So many brokers offer partner programs where you can be affiliated to the broker. And every time someone signs up using your link, you will be given a commission. Once that person maybe takes trades and does that and does that and does that, you get some commission. For example, maybe you'll get $5 for every one lot that trader takes or trades, right? So assume you have introduced or you have got like 100 traders through your affiliate link, and those 100 traders in 1 month, each of them trades like, for example, 5 lots. That is going to give you like $20, because each lot, most of the brokers will pay you around $3, $4 per lot. So that will be roughly $20 for every trader that you introduce. So that is almost $2,000 in just 1 month by you just promoting the affiliate program of that specific broker. Now, there are so many affiliates that you can promote. You can also promote these prop firms. If someone buys a challenge using your link, you can get a commission from that. So that is the first way you can be able to earn extra income online. The second way is by creating your own product. Create a course. If you're a trader, you can create a small course and then you can sell that course. You can even create an ebook and sell that ebook online. Now, I have not concentrated so much on the affiliate side of business, but I am also doing some affiliates. You can find the links in the description if you want to support me and support the channel, right? But I am also doing like course sales. I also do sell courses based on a one-on-one coaching, but that is expensive for most of the traders who are subscribed to my channel. This also depends mostly on the quality of subscribers that you have. For example, if you have subscribers from poorer countries who cannot afford the affiliate programs that you're promoting, or the course that you're promoting, or the mentorship program, because for example, my mentorship, like a one-on-one mentorship, if you want me to do like one-on-one mentorship, it will cost you like $1,000, right? And that program will run maybe for 1.5 to 2 months of mentorship, like one-on-one mentorship. That will cost you like $1,000. So only a few people can afford that kind of mentorship service. It's sustainable, but it is not as much as I would like to have. Some people from poorer countries cannot afford that, so the income that comes from there is not as much as what I even make from my trading. So the other way is you can sell coaching and mentorship. The next way you make money is directly on YouTube or Telegram or TikTok and where they give you a partner program. Once you qualify, of course, you have to reach like 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours. You guys know that on YouTube. Once you reach that, you get sent an email, and then you can join the partner program where you'll be earning money from the adverts that you see running, like for example, the ones running in this video, right? You'll earn some small money once YouTube shows ads on your video. Now that one, you get some money, but it is not much. You guys cannot believe that I don't get that much from YouTube ads. So when I show you guys or share with you guys free content here on YouTube, you can do your best by supporting me using the links in the description, guys, because I don't actually get much money from YouTube ads, right? The highest I've got in a single month from YouTube is about $2,700 in a month, just from the ads. That's the highest I've got. But most of the time it's not much. So that is another way you can make money on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, but that is not going to be something that is sustainable because it fluctuates a lot, all right? The ads keep on going up and down in revenue. They are not fixed. You cannot trust that revenue, right? But that is also another side income besides your own trading. Give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below with your questions. I'll be able to answer them if I can in the next video. All right. So the other way that you can make money on the sides apart from your own trading is by you creating a small product which you can package into a small course or a short-term course. I've spoken about a course, but here you can specialize and create a small or short course for you to share with people, and then they can pay you, and then you make some side income. Right now, I have shared with you guys a full 1 candlestick trading strategy course here on YouTube, but I have a more detailed course than that one. I have a more detailed course than that one that shows you the real way you are going to take the trades using the 1 candlestick strategy step by step, from how you develop the trade idea, how you mark up your charts properly, how you look for trade entries on higher time frames, and then get confidence on lower time frames, and then get your entry. This is done mostly using the CRT and supply and demand. I don't show that on YouTube at all, guys. It is a specialized course that is about 1 hour long, and it costs you about $350 US. So if you want that course, you can reach out to me using the WhatsApp number in the description of the video, and I will send it to you. Once you pay for it, I'll send it to you. But I believe that once you watch that and understand that course, you will be on your way to being a successful trader. You will be on your way to be successful in your trading career, right? And you'll not regret buying that course. I believe so, because I have gotten so many testimonials from people who have purchased that course, how it has helped them change their trading forever. All right. So guys, I don't want to make this video way too long. I just wanted to give you guys some extra ways that you can actually make money online. If you don't have like a YouTube channel or a big presence, but you have friends, you have colleagues and you want to promote my services, you can reach out to me, and then we can connect, and then you can earn a commission from any sales that we make. That is another opportunity that you get once you are in this trading business. So guys, with that said, let me leave you guys, but I'll see you in the next video. Remember to give a like, subscribe to the video, and also comment down below. Until next time, peace and out.